Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, all right. Alright, so I decided to make a little remote control car track for my son and I to play on. I'm just kind of getting into the hobby, but I kind of mowed the layout in, and I built a little dragger for my mower here. Put the center blocks on it to weigh it down. It's literally made from cheap Chinese angle iron that was a frame for a scooter somebody ordered off the internet. And he gave me the metal from the frame, so I used it. Just gonna throw it away if I didn't. I got a tractor coming. A friend from work has one we're gonna use. Put some jumps and different kinds of obstacles out here. It's about 100 by 50 feet. It's not gonna be anything special, but figured I'd make it something decent that I wouldn't get too bored with, like real quick. I know at some point I'll probably have to change the layout. I kind of made it so you could with the inside section, but yeah, I'm gonna try and drag this a little bit, see how it goes, and in the next couple of weeks we'll get the tractor out here and get some fill dirt and start building jumps and things like that. I'm out here trying to drag this little RC track a little bit. This thing's working pretty good. Gotta clear it out every once in a while. Could use a little more weight, but you know, overall it's working alright. I'm listening to the Southwick 450 Moto 2 race right now. I'm trying to watch it a little bit while I do it. Get some shit. I'm actually wearing my dirt bike helmet right now. I'm waiting on a GoPro mount on it, so I can do this. Got this little U-turn here. I wanted a fast, long straightaway for a sharp corner, so this is my attempt at that. Dig into the grass now and pull the dirt up. I had to go over the grass quite a few times to start it, so we had a lot of rain lately. I mowed it really recently. I'll put a big tabletop here, like 15-foot tabletop here. And go around this bend, do a quick 90. Double, another little double here. This is going to be the whoop section. Probably 12, 15 whoops down this section. And then a quick turn. Here is going to be a step step up. Not a huge one, but a little hop, step up, quick turn. This is going to be an off-road section. Sticks, logs, rocks, coal, stuff like that. Quick little S-turn here. Come around this. Wider 90. Very long straightaway here, and then it's going to start with a quick double. So a quick double to a triple. A double or triple with a slower truck. And it goes to a step on, step off type tabletop feel here to end it. Land. I want this to be a big, wide, sweeping corner. It's going to be kind of banked too. You can really tell this is all downhill this way. So the rain runoff should be good. This is just going to be a long, fast straightaway. Basically, as fast as you can go. Trying to carry some momentum. Sweep it here. Yeah, nothing special. Coming through with a tractor, put dirt in, you just fill dirt. I'm going to just dig a hole. That much dirt. So all those jumps, maybe about 10 jumps. Whoops, I don't think we'll have to really much dirt for. I'll dig out some of them and just do that dirt. So digging out. Build up the other side.
One week later.
I kind of got the track sorted out a little bit. I'm not done with it for sure. Get this little Arma Sentin 3S. Pretty cool little truck. I actually built this track specifically for this truck and for him, but I wanted something kind of big that this thing could handle. I only keep it on 50% speed right now because I'm not good, but yeah. We have a tractor coming probably this weekend. We're gonna at least move dirt around and get some jumps sorted out. Doing run across the track. Yeah.
Why?
A little double there, double there. It's gonna be a whoop section. I already talked about this on my little tractor ride, but there's gonna be a little off-road section here. Chicane. There's gonna be a double, triple, and step on, step off table. keep driving this thing, I might not need to get a tractor here. I'm not gonna have any grass left. Nope. Probably gonna get some of that corrugated pipe, drainage pipe. And dang, keep coming in there. Put little barriers. I mowed the outline of the track in, and I used my dragger there. And, I need something to keep me on the track. I'm not good at this yet. Uh-oh. I'm starting to lose battery power here. I used this battery yesterday to play a little bit. Oh, there it goes. But yeah, that's it. We're gonna put a bunch of obstacles in here. So then we put corrugated pipe. I don't know, driver stand probably over here. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this is all downhill. So should drain all the water off. Hopefully. Probably not.